I'm very excited and happy to be here to receive our guests coming from the US. This is part of the group that we are having every month, and it's really refreshing to see that we are back to business. The tourism is flourishing. We thank the international tourists who are coming in, because this is the best time that they are going to Mara to see the migration. They are going to the coast to enjoy the sunny beaches of Mombasa, and some will be going to Diani for the Wasini and other excursion in Mombasa.
For the first time, it's an amazing experience. I love the way the dancers came out to dance with all of us, to welcome us into Kenya. It's really been a great journey so far to start off. My expectation is to be able to eat some amazing food, see some amazing people, and experience the amazing culture.
I love Kenya. I love Kenya. I love the market here. The one thing I love about it is the people. The people are so amazing. They're so humble. And I feel like Kenya is an easy country to market. I'm from the United States of America, and we've been marketing Kenya from over in the United States of America to get more Americans over to the country. So I'm really excited about marketing Kenya on my agenda for this season.